Welcome back, tech lovers. Today, we're checking out a marvel that's set to redefine elegance and performance, the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G. Get ready to be wowed by its design and dazzled by its features. Let's get into the details. Design and display. The Galaxy F55 5G greets you with its stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display, boasting a vibrant resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. With a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness, it's a screen that brings visuals to life like never before. Memory and performance. Powering this beauty is the robust Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. It's a setup that promises seamless multitasking and ample space for all your needs. Camera capabilities. Capture the world in its full glory with the F55's versatile 50-megapixel triple rear camera setup. From the 8-megapixel ultra-wide to the 2-megapixel macro lens, every shot is a masterpiece. And for the selfie enthusiasts, the 50-megapixel front camera ensures you're always in the spotlight. Which feature has caught your eye the most? The display's fluidity or the camera's clarity? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is more than just a smartphone. It's a companion that stands out in both form and function. Whether it's the immersive display, the powerful performance, or the stunning camera quality, this phone is designed to impress. If this video sparked your interest, smash that like button and share the excitement with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things innovative.